ulan. Arigato. Kyutsukimasu. Kyutsukite. Nag-update lang ako. Nagpapakulo ako dito, nagluluto, nag-update agoy. Teka lang, tingnan ko lang yung niluto ko. Ayan, nimuno lang yung luto ko, nimuno. Wait lang guys. Nagigisa pa ako na ang palaya. Thank you, thank you. Long time no see. Thank you. Grabe talaga, busy ang mundo. Super busy ang mundo. Teka lang ha. Akpan ko lang kung niluluto ko. Ayan, mahina na yung ano. Mahina na yung ulan. Bigla lang bumagsak yung ulan eh. Makailang minuto na ba tayo? Ayan, huminto na yung ulan. Naka 43 minutes na pala tayo. Pwede nang mag-end. 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Teka lang, puntahan ko lang si IC Fit. Hindi na nakakadalaw eh. Na lang. Medyo oh, may coming live siya. This is tonight, tomorrow. Ayan.
Or rules of the live stream. Ayan, walang personalan, guys. We can agree to disagree. We can talk anything, ayan, except for religion and politics. Those are the two things that I don't want to talk about. And of course, ayan, at the end of this live stream, I hope you guys don't take anything personally, don't take anything seriously. It's just talk, it's just conversation. It's what keeps us getting
connect
better
sa ating Sisi.
That's the purpose
I see
of this
guys
live stream.
sa ano niya. Sisi Aname, thank you so much sa Sisi Aname. Thank you Sisi Rod sa papasugod.
To talk in English. This is the time you can practice your English. And if you want to learn Japanese, we're going to talk Japanese for a little bit if you want. Ano pa?
Agay! Buskay! Mega love shout out! Ayan, nandyan si Buskay. Long time no see! Thank you so much for coming.
With English, okay? Ayan, kahit barok-barok
Ayan,
pa yan,
huminto na yung
Tagalog,
ating